Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw King Kong. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with his face. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a little oval shape for one of his eyes. And then I'm going to draw another oval shape over here for his other eye. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to curve up like this. And then I'm going to do another one, it's just going to curve down, and then it's going to go up like that. Then, starting right here, I'm going to make a little line, it's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to go up and curve around like this. Then I'm going to do another one that's just going to kind of curve around here. It's going to go right around both of these, just like that, real close to the eyes. Now, starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, it's just going to curve down. And then it's just going to connect at the bottom like this. Now, right inside of here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then up like this. And then right in here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up. Same thing over here for some teeth. And then I'm just going to put some smaller teeth right in there. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. It's going to kind of curve around and come back up for the tongue. And then I'm going to make a little line that curves around here for a tooth. A little line curves around here. And then just some smaller little circle shapes in there for some teeth. Then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves around here. It's just going to go around and then back up to here. Now, starting up here by the eyes, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around. It's going to go down. Then I'm going to curve right around and down here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down, and then it's going to run right to the face. And then this side's going to be a little bit bigger, and then it's going to go right down here. Then I'm going to add some little kind of curved lines on here. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go up. It's going to kind of come to a point, and then it's going to come down, and then right to here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then come to here for the side of his face. Then I'm going to draw a little line kind of down by his chin, and then it's going to come right out here and then curve up to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes down for an ear. And then a little line that kind of curves down and then comes back up like this for an ear. Now, starting up here, I want to draw one of his arms. We're going to make him kind of like in an action pose. So starting right up here by his head, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go up, and then it's just going to kind of curve down like this. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of come down, and then in a little bit for one of his fingers. Draw another line right here. It's going to kind of curve, go down, kind of curve up like this for another finger. Going to put another one right here. And then I'll draw one more right here, kind of just doing the same thing. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this line back in a hook shape, and then draw a long line right here. Then right here I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then kind of curve up. And then I'm just going to draw a little bit of like a curved line right here, and then another one right there. Then, starting right over here, I'm going to just draw a little line kind of down here. Just kind of show where his face is. Make this kind of part of the arm, make it a little longer. Then I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down and then in a little bit for part of his chest. And then I'm going to draw another line down. His body's going to be kind of twisting, so I'm going to go down and kind of curve this up for his other part of his chest. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to go in, and then kind of down like that. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve back here. And then I'm going to draw a little curved line right here for one of his toes. And then I'm going to draw a little line that kind of goes down and then curls around here. And then I'm going to put a couple more in here. And then one little one on the end. Then I'm just going to kind of curve this up to here, go down, and then kind of bring it back up. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down. And then it's going to curve back for his other leg. It's going to be a lot smaller because it's going to be behind him. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, curves in. One here, and then one more there. This is just going to kind of curve around, make like a C shape, and then come back up here. Then I'm going to start right here and just draw a line that kind of goes down and then kind of curves to here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line just kind of curves up and then down for his shoulder. Another little curved line right here for like his bicep. And then right here, I'm going to curve this line. It's going to go out and then down for like his forearm. And then starting here, I'm going to kind of curve this down and then kind of make it really wide. His hand's going to be like coming at us. So then I'm going to take this, I'm going to curve this around to here, and then curve it around up here. I want it to be really big because this hand is kind of coming right for us. I'm going to draw a line right here that just kind of curves down, and then kind of back up for one of his fingers. Another one right here. It's going to do the same thing, but I'm going to leave a little bit of space right in here. Another one right here. And then I'm going to put a real small one that kind of goes down and then comes back up like that for his pinky. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to go down, and then back up like this. And then just draw a little curved line to connect it. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve up to here. And then another line is just going to kind of curve right to there for his other arm. Then I'm going to take this line, I'm just going to kind of curve this into the hand. Go in a little bit, and then I'm going to curve out, and then kind of come back up into here. Just to kind of show those body's twist, and we'll kind of make this a little bit bigger over here. Going to connect it to there. Okay, so here's our basic drawing of King Kong in his action pose. Now we just want to add a few details. So we want to give him some pupils in his eyes, so I'm just going to draw two little black dots in there. I'm going to add some extra little lines kind of around his eyebrows up here just to make it look really wrinkly. In between them as well, a couple curved lines here. Some lines around his eyes. Put some on top as well. Add some little lines kind of coming up his face. And then some kind of around his mouth as well. Add a couple little lines inside his ears. I'm going to add some kind of broken zigzag lines right around here just to kind of show where the fur is and the skin are, where they kind of meet and separate. Some kind of curved little lines just right around here. Some curved lines there. I'm going to add some little lines that are for like some fingernails right around here. Then some extra little lines kind of all over the place on here, just to kind of look like there are little wrinkles on his hands. Some little lines on there. Some right here. And then just a few more on his hands as well. Put some kind of little broken zigzag lines for some hair. Then most of it, you just want to add like some extra little lines on here, just kind of around in some different places, like real long little lines. All different sizes, make them like some broken lines. And these are just going to kind of be for like some texture on his hair and everything. You don't really have to get all of this in here, but these are just like some nice extra lines just to add. We're going to be doing a lot of these lines and stuff when we start coloring everything, but these are just some nice ones just to add in some extra little spots. Just kind of creates a lot of little extra detail and texture on there. So I'm just going to add some of these around here. You can kind of make some long little broken lines kind of going all around here, kind of following the curve of his arms and everything. I'm going to put some kind of going right around here too, just kind of following the curve and length of his body here. And just going to kind of put some going right around here as well, on his legs, kind of up and down, right along here. Just kind of add lots of little texture and stuff. And then I'm just going to add a couple little lines, kind of squiggly little scratchy lines here. Some little lines on his hands and feet and everything. Put some more little toenails down here. Some little lines around here. And just put a few more on his hands, and there you go. There is your drawing of King Kong in an action pose. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.